how to share other story on your story in Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can share other story on your own story on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to share someone else's story to your own story on Instagram, there are basically a couple of ways. So first of all, open the Instagram application here. Now normally if you want to share someone else's story, if you are tagged in that story, you'll find the add this to your story option, and then you'll be able to successfully add them to your own story. But if you're not basically tagged in it, then what you can do, in that case what you can do is you just have to take a screenshot of this story just like this, or maybe you can just try to screen record the story. So normally you can just try to take a screenshot. Once you take a screenshot of this story, you can just add a specific story to your own story over here. So let me just come back, tap the your story button, select that specific screenshot of the story. Now you can just go ahead and mention this person if you want to, because this is the only way to do it indirectly. If you want to do it directly, you need to make sure you've been tagged in the story. So hope this video helps you as to how you can go ahead and then actually share other story to your own story on Instagram. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.